Do you think AI-generated content is dead? Or will YouTube remove AI-generated videos? Then you are wrong. Look at this channel. They are thriving and getting huge views in every video. And in the recent update, YouTube made it clear that you can use AI to make videos. So, if your content is original and not repetitive, you will still get views and YouTube advertising revenue. The key is personalization. In this video, I am going to share the method of making original and personalized videos using MagicLight AI, the best personalized AI video generator that can generate 30-minute long videos from a single prompt. And in the end, I'm announcing a special giveaway that could transform your content creation journey forever. 3 lucky winners will get MagicLight Pro Plan for free. So, watch the video till the end. Let's dive in. Here's the thing. Personalized videos go way beyond those generic AI templates everyone's using. You need real control over your story, your characters, and your entire video structure. That's what separates successful AI creators from the rest. You can't just use the same prompts as everyone else and expect different results. That's exactly where MagicLight AI comes in, a powerful video generation tool built specifically for creators like you who want to stand out. So, click the link in my description or check the pinned comment to try MagicLight AI completely free. Okay, let me demonstrate just how powerful this technology really is. This is the MagicLight AI dashboard. To create a new video, just click on the Create button from here. This is the content page. Here, we have to enter the script and set some other settings. You will find 2 options for script input. The Smart script is for entering an idea, and the AI will write the viral script for you. If you already have a detailed script, enter the script in the Basic tab. I'll start with a simple sentence and show you the complete transformation process. I am entering, a young entrepreneur discovers an ancient book that teaches the secrets of building wealth. I know this is a very simple prompt script. Let's see how this basic text prompt evolves into a full cinematic video with professional quality visuals, custom characters, and engaging storytelling. Now set the aspect ratio of the video from here. You can generate landscape and portrait videos on MagicLight. I will go with landscape. Next, we have to set the language. You can generate videos in more than 10 popular languages. I will go with English. After that, select the visual style. There are a bunch of options like 3D animation, 2D animation, realistic, and others. I am selecting 3D cartoon. You can go with any visual style. After that, set the video duration. You can create up to 30-minute long videos with a single prompt. Once done, click on the Next button. Now, it will analyze the prompt and settings and then create a perfect story outline. And here it is. The outline is ready. You can see the synopsis at the top. After that, you will find a scene-by-scene outline. After reviewing the outline, I think this is a perfect outline. It's already suggesting scenes, character development, and narrative flow. But here's where it gets interesting. I have complete control over modifying every single element. So, do it if necessary. Once done, hit the Next button. Now this is where MagicLight really shines. The character creation. It detects all the characters from the story. Instead of using generic AI characters, I'm uploading my own images for all the characters. It will make the video unique, personalized, and engaging. This character becomes the consistent face of your content, allowing you to build audience recognition and brand loyalty. Once all the characters are ready, hit the Next button. Now the AI will generate the storyboard. Basically, it will create the images for every scene. It will take some time. So, I am fast-forwarding the video. And here it is, our storyboard is ready. You can see that MagicLight AI generates 80 storyboards with images. Here at the top of the page, you will find the narration or voiceover settings. This is very important. Most users use a generic AI voice, like many other users. And that is the reason it could be marked as repetitive or reused content. That's why I will use the voice clone option and clone a voice so that I can make it unique. It's so simple, just click here and then select the voice clone option. Now, we have to just upload a voice sample file. Once the voice sample is uploaded, set the name and the gender label. Once done, hit the Confirm button. The AI analyzes the vocal patterns, tone, and style. Now every scene will use my voice characteristics. This is what separates amateur AI videos from professional content. Okay, now, preview all the storyboard images, and if you find any issues, you can tweak them. This is the first shot of the video. To edit the scene, come to the right side. Here, you will find character, storyboard, and prompt. The storyboard feature is really amazing. Here you can select a sketch drawing of your storyboard and generate an image like that. You will find a bunch of options. You can even upload your own. Next, you can enhance the prompt to enhance the image. Once you are done, hit the Regenerate button from here to create a new image. And here it is, the image has been generated. That's amazing. For the second scene, I think it's a great image. So, I am coming to the third shot and customizing the image. In this method, preview and customize all the scenes. In the next step, we will animate the scene. Let's start with the very first scene. After selecting the scene, click on the Animate button from here. A pop-up will appear. You will find a bunch of options, including lip sync to animate the image. Select a proper video model to animate the image. After selecting the model, select the prompt option. Here, you will find two options. The first one is using an auto prompt generated by MagicLight, and if you want to use a custom prompt, then select the second option. In that case, you have to use a custom prompt. However, I will use the auto prompt option. Now, generate the video. Our video is generating. It will take some time. Okay, here is the video generated for the first scene. And it's a perfect video clip. Now, let's animate the second video clip and, in the same method, generate all other scenes. Okay, all of our video clips are ready. Now, to move forward, click on the Next button. In this step, we have to set some settings. First, the cover. Here you can set the title of the video and title style. I won't use any title. Next, come to the Subtitle tab. Here you can set the subtitle style. You will find some options. Select the preferred one. In the end, we have the BGM. You will find a bunch of options. Listen to some of them and then choose the perfect one. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button from here. Now you have to choose an aspect ratio. After selecting the aspect ratio, click on the OK button. Now, MagicLight AI will take some time to render the final video. So, I am fast forwarding the video. And here it is. The video is ready. Now you can review the video or publish it on MagicLight AI. Let's preview the video. Amid the city's vibrant pulse, Jake walks with determination etched on his face. Skyscrapers loom, indifferent to his struggle, as cafes buzz with the murmur of success. The city's relentless energy underscores his precarious financial state. He navigates the crowded street, his ambition a stark contrast to his current reality. The towering buildings seem to mock his dreams, yet his resolve remains unshaken. He walks on, fueled by a burning ambition to conquer the city's challenges. In the dimly lit antique shop, Jake runs his fingers along the spines of aged books and forgotten relics. Amidst the clutter, Jake discovers a leather-bound book tucked away on a forgotten shelf. The book's cover is worn, its pages brittle with age, hinting at secrets long concealed. Look at this result. From one sentence to a complete, engaging video with consistent characters, professional voice work, and dynamic visuals. This entire process took me less than 10 minutes, but the output looks like it took hours of traditional video editing. It's a completely original, engaging video that stands out from generic AI content. Now, for that exclusive giveaway I promised, 3 lucky viewers will receive a full monthly MagicLight Pro plan. Here's how to enter. Leave a comment describing the type of video you'd like to create. Register for a MagicLight account using the link in my description. Send your MagicLight username and email on your Discord server. I'll randomly select 3 winners next week. Alright friends, I'll wrap up our video now. Before that, I'd love to hear about your experience creating videos using an AI video generator. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!